Hello and welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay, the geeky dad. This is Superman. Say hello, Soups. And today's video, we are going to look at YouTube channel ideas for beginners. Now, you don't want to see my face, so I'm going to put you on the big screen. And this is my channel, guys. I show you different ways to make money using video, whether that's on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. I also show different ways to make money, as in like different ideas. So let's get into this, guys. The first channel is the cryptocurrency, which we'd all like to be in if we knew anything about it. And it's called Satoshi Stacker, I think they pronounce it. And 137,000 subscribers, getting all over 2.5 million views a month, and he's making up to 10,000, and that's just on AdSense, guys. And basically, he shows graphs and charts and that, and he just talks about the news, about the cryptocurrency, guys. So if you know anything about that, or you're interested in that, come and check this channel out, guys. That's your first one, Moving on to number 2 is a rap niche, and it's called King Trending. 1.14 million subscribers, getting over 1.7 million views a month, and making up to 7,000. Again, just on AdSense. And he talks about all the rappers' news, like rappers react to whether that says dissing them. If you're into your rap and into this kind of music, guys, maybe you want to come and check it out and see how he's making his videos and that. It looks like he's using clips, so it might be a bit hard getting past copyright, but he's doing it. He's making up to that much, maybe more. So there is a way, guys. So come and check this out. And he's not showing his face. Moving on to the third niche is the archaeology niche, and it's called Amazing Stock. He's got over 500,000 subscribers, over 1 million people viewing every month, and he's making up to 5,000, and that's just on AdSense. And he is talking about all the different finds around, like the 12 most amazing recent artifact finds, 12 most mysterious archaeology finds. And he's making lists, and he's showing clips, he's showing stock footage, he's showing like basically whatever he finds on the internet. So if you're into this kind of stuff, guys, worth looking into this. It's quite interesting. That's called Amazing Stock. Moving on now to the fourth niche is the aeroplane niche, and it's called DJ's Aviation. Got 303,000 subscribers, over 1.5 million views a month, and he's earning up to 6.2 thousand each month. And he is talking about different airlines. Basically, he's not traveling on them; he's just showing clips of them and videos and stock images and that, images of the actual aircrafts. And that's all he's doing, guys. He's just talking about his interest. This is his hobby, and he's making videos about it. And that's all you need to do, guys. And that's called DJ's Aviation if you're into the aircraft niche, or aeroplane niche. Now this one, we've got to talk a bit quiet because it's called Viva ASMR, and they talk a bit like this. But for this video, guys, I'm just going to talk normal. And as you can see, 444,000 subscribers, over 2.2 million views a month, and up to 9,000, just over 9,000 a month. That's great. And all they do, guys, is they make videos like fireplaces and things what they can make noises, like scrunching things up in your hand, but they're like making dead quiet noises and moving things around in a bowl, pouring over stuff. And if you look at their videos, they don't show the face, and there's no talking there. Oh, they're eating. That's what they're doing there. And if you're into this, you want to make these kind of videos where it's dead. It's all dead quiet, and people love these videos. They love these channels. As you can see, he's making up to 9,000. Well, or she, I don't know. But again, that's just on AdSense, guys. So Let's go back to my channel. So that is another 5 channels for you guys. If you're interested or you want to find out some more, if you come onto my channel, Make Money with Video, you can see I've got 5 niche ideas. I've got 5 YouTube channel ideas, 5 YouTube niches. Yeah, so lots of different ways, lots of different channels, lots of different ideas you can look at. And if you're struggling and you're a beginner and you don't know what to do, this is where you start, guys. Watch these videos and get some inspiration. Check out the channels I've shown you, and then if you're into that kind of stuff, look how they're making the videos. Yeah, look in the descriptions as well if they're making money off affiliate marketing, because that's a big way. You think you make a lot off AdSense, which some of these channels are making a lot, and you think, yeah, I will look at. Just think how much you can make off affiliate marketing as well, guys. If you're not sure, check out some of my videos about affiliate marketing on this channel. And if you like this channel, guys, please give me a thumbs up, because it'll help the channel and it'll let other people and other newbies that find some inspiration in some channels. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up, like and comment. Yeah, and until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. Say goodbye, Soups. No, don't think he's talking, is he? So yeah, thanks a lot. Goodbye.